This is a one-bed, one-bath and den located in the La Salle Towers at 20 North Shore Boulevard. Starting at the entrance, there is a closet on the immediate right. Ahead of the entrance is a hallway intersection that leads left and right. On the left is the kitchen and living room. Just prior to the kitchen and living room, there is a closet on the immediate right. On the immediate left is the kitchen. The galley kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. At the end of the kitchen is a spacious dining room. The kitchen and dining room flow into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features tiled windows in the back left wall. In the back right corner of the room, there is a large glass sliding door with rolling shades that leads onto a balcony. Rightwards of the intersection ahead of the entrance is a hallway that leads straight to the primary bedroom. Just prior to the primary bedroom, there is a closet on the immediate right housing a white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer. The primary bedroom features a large glass sliding door with rolling shades that leads onto a balcony on the back left wall. In the back right corner of the room, there is a large walk-in closet with significant storage space. Rightwards of the primary bedroom is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and tiled walk-in shower. The vanity features 8 drawers and 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Across from the bathroom is the den. The den features a closet with a sliding door on the back left wall. On the back right wall, there is a large glass sliding door with rolling shades that leads onto a balcony.